Welcome students to my online history classes. Today, the topic is the checklist of questions under Unit 4. Now, before we move on to understand what kind of questions have come, let's have a look at what is the syllabus under your Unit 4. 1. Political struggle from 1716 to 48, position of the Sikh, repression, cancellation by the Mughal governors, Abu Samad Khan, Zakaria Khan, 1716 to 1745, and Kalukaras or the Holocaust. Number 2, Sikh-Afghan struggle from 1752 to 65, occupation of Lahore, striking of the coin, causes of the Sikh success against Mughals and the Afghans. The third point, leading Sardars and the territories. That means we are moving towards your missiles. Nawab Kapoor Singh, Jassa Singh Ahluwalia, Pangiz, Jassa Singh Ramgarhia, Charat Singh, Maha Singh, Jai Singh Kanhaiya, and your Ala Singh. So let's see what kind of questions have been asked from this section. Now, one, what were the circumstances that led to establishment of new rulers and their military resources in the 18th century? Number two, analyze the Sikh-Afghan struggle during the 18th century. Number three, give an account of the Sikh-Afghan struggle and causes of the success of the Sikh. Number four, discuss the origin and the administration of the Sikh missiles. So in these four questions, normally they've asked about the circumstances which led to the establishment of new rulers and their military resources in the 18th century. That means they are asking about the emergence of Dal Khalsa and just a bit about the missiles, how they came into being. Then number two and number three are on one topic, that is your Sikh-Afghan struggle, right? Which actually we take it post 1752 AD. Then the fourth question is on the origin and administration of Sikh missiles. Now, this is a very huge question. So I suggest that in my new questions, I would be taking up that the question could be either just on the origin or on the administration. But here they've asked both the origin, how the Sikh missiles came into being, what were the various Sikh missiles, and how they administered. Analyze the Sikh-Afghan struggle during the 18th century. Number six, what do you know about the administration arrangements made by the Sikh in the 18th century with special reference to their land revenue system? Another kind of questions which has been asked on section 4 is that they have picked up personalities like they have picked up Nawab Kapoor Singh, Abu Samad Khan and Ala Singh. Now here Nawab Kapoor Singh, he was the founder of the Faisalpuriya missile. So that means they've picked up one character from the missiles. Abu Samad Khan was the Mughal governor of Lahore under Farrukhsiyar. So they've picked up a Mughal governor. And Ala Singh was the one who founded Patiala. The similar kind of question has been asked, but now the names, these subheadings have been changed. They've written that write a detailed note on any two of the following: Jassa Singh Kanhaiya, then is Dal Khalsa, Jai Singh Kanhaiya, Dal Khalsa, and Jassa Singh Ahluwalia, which means you need to do the questions on Dal Khalsa, on the missiles, their administration very nicely. Even the Mughal governors, questions could be asked on any of the characters associated with these events. Now, the questions which I feel, because the questions are not very direct, so I feel that maybe they can ask a question, direct questions like write a detailed note on Dal Khalsa, origin and the administrative setup, or could be the features of Dal Khalsa. Now, the names that they have missed is Jassa Singh Ramgarhia, then is your Maha Singh, and Jai Singh Kanhaiya has been asked, but it could be asked along with Jassa Singh Ramgarhia. Then write a detailed note on the Sikh missiles, which means you have to learn the 12 missiles. Then question number 13, discuss in detail the administrative structure under the Sikh missiles, how these missiles administered, the misildar or the gurmata, how everything, how these Sikh missiles administered, how they were organized, a detailed question on that. So these are the questions which could be asked from your section 4. If we just have a look again, so fun, you need to do the Dal Khalsa, Number 2, you need to do the Sikh Afghan struggle. Number 3, you need to do the Mughal governors. Number 4, you need to do the origin administration of the Sikh missiles. So if I very shortly repeat, you will do the Mughal governors, that is your Abu Samad Khan, Zakaria Khan, then Yahya Khan and Mir Manu. Number 2, you will do the Dal Khalsa. Number 3, you will do the Sikh Afghan struggle. And number 4, you will do the origin and administration of the Sikh missiles. So I think if you do these topics, you are quite sure, and you'll be quite safe when it comes to answering questions from this section. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be coming back again with some more videos on Banda Singh Bahadur, Dal Khalsa and missiles. So again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be waiting for your response in the comment section. Happy learning, and thank you so much for watching this video.